Welcome to Ranga and Paul Talk Football Podcast. And today we have a very special episode only for you viewers. And this is going to be a bonkers of an episode. And I don't want to take much of my time. Paul, please introduce our esteemed guest.
So we have a special guest today, Mr. Nikhil Mehra, lawyer in Delhi High Court and Supreme Court, and he has been उन्होंने लॉ यूएस से पास किया एंड यूएस का बार भी ही हैव क्लियर्ड. मैंने देखा यूएस का बार क्लियर करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो बट लेकिन जो मेन फोकस है इस गेम का इज नॉट ऑन द डे जॉब, इज ऑन द नाइट जॉब. जो नाइट जॉब है लोगों का, वॉचिंग फुटबॉल, वॉचिंग क्रिकेट, वॉचिंग टेनिस. तो मेजर हमारा फोकस इस बार फुटबॉल पे रहेगा. एंड आई बीन इंटरेक्टिंग विद निखिल फॉर लास्ट 2-3 years कि हमारे लॉज के ऊपर काफी इंटरेक्शन हुए कि बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में. उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग हिज व्यूज ऑन फुटबॉल ट्विटर. मैंने इनका ट्वीट देखा था कि इन्होंने लिसांड्रो मार्टिनेज पे एक ट्वीट किया था कि लिसांड्रो मार्टिनेज की मतलब सेंटर बैक के फिजिकलिटी के हिसाब से ही माइट लैक सम बिट, बट लेकिन जो उसके पंचिंग पासेस होते हैं मिडफील्ड में, तो मैं सोचा कि यार ही हैज नॉलेज, बहुत नॉलेज है फुटबॉल के बारे में. जब मैंने सोचा कि जब भी हम चैनल स्टार्ट करेंगे आई वुड इनवाइट निखिल टू द चैनल. So Nikhil, welcome back to the Ranga and Pal Talk Football Podcast.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for having me.
And just specifically he is known for his tweets. ये तो बताना चाहता हूँ दोस्तों, आपने देख लिया एक आर्सेनल फैन और हम आपने एक और फैन देख लिया चेल्सी, बट नाउ वी हैव अ न्यूअर फैन हु इज अ न्यूअर पर्सपेक्टिव. ही इज अ मैन यूनाइटेड फैन. ही ब्लीड्स रेड एंड आई मीन काफ़ी अच्छे राइवल्स के साथ हमने अभी बात करने वाले हैं. एंड वी हैव सम स्पाइसी टॉपिक्स विप्ड अप जस्ट फॉर टुडेज पॉडकास्ट. एंड यूरोस तो ख़त्म हो गए राइट, बट बाकी सब फुटबॉल का जो इंजन है वो चलता रहेगा. अभी प्री सीजन चालू हो गया. लेट्स मतलब फुटबॉल फैंस के लिए यही है. यूरोस खत्म हो गया, चलो ठीक है भाई, गम में स्कॉच पी लिया, विस्की पी लिया. अभी now we move on to the next season. मतलब हमारे पास तो कंटेंट आते रहेगा. So stay tuned for Ranga and Paul Talk Football Podcast, and we will keep you posting with all the news and especially this content. So Paul, I think you can just summarize it. Like what are the topics we are going to discuss and what are the things we are going to fight on.
So we'll review Euros a bit कि यूरोस में क्या हुआ, और मेनली हम फुटबॉल पे डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ द फुटबॉल क्वालिटी हैज गॉन डाउन. कि अब मैवरिक्स और एक्स फैक्टर प्लेयर बचे ही नहीं है. लास्ट हमने ओजिल, हजार्ड ये सब देखे थे, पर करंटली नोबडी इज देयर. मूसियाला जब जूनियर वर्जन, बीटेक वर्जन, वो सभी बचे. बेलिंगम को सब इतना हाइप कर रहे हैं, पर बेलिंगम इज नोवेयर क्लोज टू एनी रियल टेक्निकल. पर निखिल, जस्ट मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है बिफोर वी डू एनीथिंग एल्स, कि हु हैड अ बेटर सीजन लास्ट सीजन, आर्सेनल और मैन यूनाइटेड?
भाई ये तो तूने स्टार्टिंग में स्पाइसी टॉपिक लगवा दिया.
Because we had a video regarding that कि आर्सेनल का सीजन अच्छा था, तो who's finished second but didn't win anything. उन्होंने बहुत प्रोग्रेस किया लेकिन कुछ नहीं जीते. मैनचेस्टर का सीजन कितना गंदा था.
अरे तू मत बोल भाई, उनको बोलने दे.
गंदा लॉसेस हो गए.
उनका पर्सपेक्टिव तू जानना चाहता है तो उनको बोलने दे.
My answer is, मेरा भी आंसर सेम है. 9 महीने का खेल होता है पूरा जिंदगी का. 8 महीने आर्सेनल के थे, 1 महीना हमारा. That's as simple as that. But really, Arsenal, I would rather be in Arsenal's position than Man United's position. Let's be frank about this. So मैं तो हमेशा कहता हूँ कि 9 महीने का खेल होता है पूरा. 8 महीने हमारे थे, 1 महीना आर्सेनल का था. But in all honesty, I would rather be in Arsenal's position than United's position. Man United को अभी बहुत recreate करना है, बहुत build करना है. There's a lot wrong with the club, lot wrong with the playing staff, lot wrong with the structure of how they select players. Arsenal seem to be getting it right. And frankly, Arsenal had one problem at the end of last season, which they tried to solve with Kai Havertz. They, unlike City, they didn't have one killer goal scorer. The guy who will get you that goal when it really matters. So basically, that's the goal that they were missing against Wolves. Like one goal. One goal against Wolves, they win the title. Or, conversely, if Son gets that goal against City, as simple as that. So Arsenal definitely had the better season, but I will say this, boss. Winning is a habit. You start winning trophies, things change. Squad level अभी वहां पे नहीं पहुंचा है, but the last time United had in the Fergie era, जब Barron run आया था 3 साल का, तो it ended by winning the Carabao Cup first, right? And that was the first trophy Rooney and Ronaldo won together. And by then he had cleared people out. He'd cleared out Beckham. He'd cleared out Van Nistelrooy. He had firmly put Carrick as a central midfield along with Scholes, and he'd pushed Scholes back further back on the pitch, and Vidic and Ferdinand was starting to establish. So the circumstances थोड़े different थे. अभी तो आपको स्क्वाड पूरा रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आप हर जगह जाके बैंडेड ही लगाते रहते हो हर समय. सो यूनाइटेड का स्क्वाड क्वालिटी अभी आर्सेनल के बहुत बहुत पीछे है, लेकिन 11 की क्वालिटी नेसेसरली नहीं होगी. ऑन अ गिवन डे दैट 11 विल ऑलवेज बी वेरी गुड. वो इंजरीज पे डिपेंड करेगा. लुक शॉ अगर फिट रहता है, लीचा मार्टिनेज फिट रहता है, मेनू फिट रहता है, हाउ मेनी गेम्स, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स ही कैन गेट आउट ऑफ मेनू. Let's see whether Sancho stays and what kind of minutes he gets. And एक दो सिस्टेमिक चीजें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग आने वाली हैं. अगर जोशुआ ज़र्क्सी का ट्रांसफर एक्चुअली इट गोज थ्रू,
It's over. It's done.
So they say, but it's not announced as yet. That's why I'm a little bit. De Ligt and Xerxes together actually can change tactically what you're doing. Completely change tactically what you're doing. Because Xerxes, I mean, the lazy comparison is to Firmino. But Firmino actually had incredible defensive abilities. Firmino used to be the first guy to win the ball back. It was an incredible play. To run into midfield to win the ball back, and then he had the two runners from wide, Mane and Salah. And it's one thing कि आपने बॉल जीत ली और आपने आगे पास कर दी. But Mane और Salah जैसे क्वालिटी भी चाहिए ना आपको to hold the ball up. I mean, Mane was incredible at Liverpool. In my opinion, Mane was he was better than Salah. Salah was better goal scorer, perhaps. Mane was the better player. तो वो चीजें नहीं है आपके पास अभी, तो वो नहीं है. तो आप एक सिस्टम बदलोगे, but what you do have is, if they find a way by which they can fit Xerxes, Bruno in the center of the park, which they can, but then there's no Højlund. Let's see, because then defenders will have trouble, because I think वो होगा ये कि sometimes Xerxes will drop back and it will be Bruno who's playing virtually the 9, and at other times the other way around. And Xerxes probably has more defensive qualities also. He become more solid. Let's see क्या होता है.
Yeah, actually, I agree to the points which you have said. कि Man United और Arsenal के comparison में, I think we are in a better position to start the season. I mean, that is basically it's not an understatement. I mean, it's the truth, right? कि यही चाहते हैं, हर fan यही चाहता है कि अपना जो season ending है, they should end it on a high note. Okay. We lost some of the trophies early, so that is what we should be concentrating. I think ये मेरा critique Arsenal से ये है कि Arteta से भी यही critique है कि boss, like what the fans Man United just did, right? They started winning games. I think Erik ten Hag just had 2 trophies in his bucket, right? It's not easy. It's not easy to win a trophy, especially in this kind of a competitive environment. So Arsenal should maybe start kind of focusing on the other cups, at least I don't say Carabao तो मैं मानता ही नहीं वो कप है या कुछ भी है, but at least FA में challenge करना चाहिए दूर तक. And as a signing, right, आपको कैसे लग रहा है कि Xerxes आपने बोल लिया कि Firmino है, मतलब छोटा वर्जन ऑफ Firmino है, मतलब ये कहाँ से आपने देख लिया? I mean, ये तो मैं देख रहा हूँ, he is not even favored before Depay.
Mount Weghorst.
Not even favored before. भाई Mount Weghorst तो अच्छा है यार. Mount Weghorst तो अच्छा है. He was not even favored for the Netherlands team. Even Depay was one of the worst performer. I think after Cristiano Ronaldo, I shouldn't say this, but after Cristiano Ronaldo, I think Depay was the worst performer in this Netherlands team, and still he was not able to gain a position in front of him. And still, even by needing a goal, right? They wanted to need a goal, and when did he came, Xerxes? I think he came in the 85th or 86th minute. Maybe there's some, I don't know, fundamental difference between the coach Ronald Koeman and or Xerxes. But I mean, he's a young player, right? I mean, he's not young enough, I guess. But why have you signed him when you already have Højlund? I mean, I don't understand this dynamic. So what are you going to play? Are you going to change the formation to 4-4-2? Or is it going to be something else? Because like you said, I agree, but the Liverpool fans, especially the establishment ones, they kind of disagree this. Mane has been the benchmark. He has set the benchmark in pressing for Liverpool. He's the only reason. I mean, I'm saying he's the only reason that you guys were able to play that beautiful pressing game. कि बॉल लूज किया एकदम से भागा, तो ये एनर्जी 2 बंदों से आया. ये है फिर्मिनो, जो मतलब इतना पोजिशनली उसका अवेयरनेस था. ही नो हाउ टू प्रेस, ही नो व्हेन टू प्रेस, ही नो व्हेन टू चार्ज फॉर द बॉल. एंड माने मतलब उसका हार्ट इतना तेज दौड़ता है, मतलब ही वाज नेवर डाइंग एथलीट. 100% उसने दिया है हर एक गेम में, एंड ही इज द रीजन दैट दे कन्वर्टेड, जो आपने बोला जो काई हैवर्ट्स नहीं कर पाया, जो आर्सेनल नहीं कर पाया है, एंड ही वाज द ओनली रीजन दैट ही कुड लास्ट में आके उसने 90+1 में गोल मार दिया, 90+ में गोल मार दिया, दे वर इक्वलाइजिंग 0-0-0-1-0, एकदम से 2 मतलब 1-1-1, एकदम से 2-1, मतलब आई थिंक माने इज द रीजन, आई मीन एंड as soon as he left, I think what a disgrace of a decision by Jurgen Klopp, saying that he is not only the reason for their cup success. मतलब मेरे हिसाब से उसको सेंड ऑफ भी इतना अच्छा नहीं दिया है, उसको उसको उसके साथ ये सलाह के साथ उसने कंपेयर किया है, एंड वो सलाह वाज गिवन द मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑल द accolades were given to Salah, जबकि माने was one of the benchmark to them. I think core Liverpool fans and the football fans जो है, जो फुटबॉल एज एन मतलब थोड़ा बहुत समझते हैं और जिनको लगता है ये पीआर हाइप में बिलीव नहीं करते हैं, उनको पता है कि माने वाज द इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ लिवरपूल टीम, बट आई एम स्टिल नॉट फैंसी अबाउट दिस जर्सी साइनिंग. पता नहीं, आई थॉट, आई मीन इनियोस राइट, एज सून एज दे केम आई थॉट दे वुड पुट अ स्टेटमेंट आउट, राइट, एक स्टेटमेंट साइनिंग उनको करना चाहिए, ये बंदा आ रहा है ये, बट डू यू थिंक दैट जर्सी विल चेंज द गेम? I'm
No, no, no.
quite skeptical about
I
it.
see
And
Xerxes.
you are not even watching him like Atlanta. He plays on key. Bologna,
Bologna.
sorry.
Bologna. No, no.
हाँ.
Listen, his output for Bologna last season is 12 goals and 7 assists. It's not too bad. Okay, it's not dissimilar to what Hoyland had, and Hoyland has, for me, had an excellent season last season. He has 16 goals in a malfunctioning team. और 16 गोल जो किए ना, ये नहीं कि मल्टीपल गोल्स पर गेम, ही स्कोर्ड इन अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट गेम्स, लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ गेम. एंड उसकी इंजरी जो फरवरी में हुई ना, जो आप मुझसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो whether यूनाइटेड had a better season or Arsenal had a better season, अगर उसको फरवरी में इंजरी नहीं होती, आई थिंक यूनाइटेड would have ended up with a better season, because okay, we would have ended up third or fourth, but we would have had Champions League and a trophy, plus beating Guardiola in a final. That's a big thing. Not a lot of people beat Guardiola in a final, and the truth of that final is, okay, after we score 2, we are allowed to sit back and absorb pressure. But in scoring 2 in that first half, we totally took them apart. They did not know which way they were going or coming. They had no way to penetrate, right? वो एक बार रॉड्री का जब रॉड्री पे प्रेस आ जाता है तो then उनके पास वो penetrative power नहीं है. And his second half performance was what? He threw on Doku and everything goes through Doku. He looked completely devoid of ideas, which is, then I would have said that we had the better season अगर वो हुआ था. Xerxes is because Xerxes is A, available, B, is a decent price point, C, he can alter the way you play, he can alter systems that you play, but let's be crystal clear, this is a risky transfer. This is not an unrisked transfer. At 40 million, no problem with a risky transfer. When you make a risky transfer like Anthony at 86 million, that's where the problem happens, right? That's when the problem happens कि आप आगे खरीद नहीं सकते क्योंकि आपकी पीएल
कट हो गया ना,
problem आ रही है. So Xerxes, who expect that, I do expect वो एक डायनामिज्म अलग लाएगा, but टाइम लगेगा उसको भी. But देखो स्ट्रक्चरली देखो ये कर क्या रहे हैं, राइट? सो इन्हीं
Nikhil, your net is
right,
lagging.
like it,
नेट बहुत ज्यादा लैग हो रहा है एक्चुअली.
मेरा
हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
brother, मेरा हो नहीं सकता यार. I'm on Jio. I've got really fast internet.
नहीं, बीच में एकदम से स्टक
बीच
हो
में
गया.
like 7-8 seconds
No,
पे
I'm
चला जाता
surprised
है.
it's mine. Is it not someone else's that's causing this?
नहीं, हमें दोनों को ही आपका हैंग हो
मेरा
जाता है.
उसका तो स्मूथ आ रहा है, मतलब जबकि बीच में एक्चुअली
I think अब ठीक हो जाएगा. Where do you want me to start from? What do you want me to do?
आई मीन
And
या जर्सी वाला हो गया था.
इनियोस से जो आप स्टार्ट करे थे, इनियोस का जो
Ineos
स्ट्रक्चर
वाला,
वाला
हाँ.
हाँ, देखो Ineos will take time. You can't, आज technically Berardi has just about started. Right? Ashworth has just about started. There are new coaches coming in every day. There are new scouting teams coming in every day. They're looking at players. They are also, the way they extended Ten Hag's contract, there is an impasse there, definitely. क्योंकि उन्होंने effectively Ten Hag का जो second 2 साल रह गए हैं, पुराने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एक्सटेंड किया, नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं दिया. So there's an impasse there as well. So I think this summer's investments are young players who, even if they flop, will have reasonable resale value. Xerxes will always have reasonable resale value. De Ligt is something they look at and say, all right, you buy a De Ligt, you probably think of him as a right-footed starter in centre back, but perhaps if he doesn't work out, then at worst he'll be a first change because De Ligt is good enough for that, right? But you'll have Maguire as an option on that side, and you have to keep going with Leach, and they need a second defender is what they are thinking. Plus, they need a midfielder. All of the targets, none of them are very high value targets. None of them are very big name targets, and I think they've sort of got it wrong on a couple of these. I mean, they went to Everton to try and get Branthwaite, but I would have preferred Onana. I mean, United need Onana more than they need Branthwaite. And Branthwaite is not going to happen because Branthwaite, they are already priced out. So वो भी खत्म हो गया in a sense, right? So अभी भी जो दिख रहा है यूनाइटेड की प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, if United had gone for Onana, unlike Villa, तो 50 मिलियन प्राइस नहीं होता,
70 होता.
That's right. So वो ट्रांसफर कंक्लूड करना, जो बाहर से लोग बोलते रहते हैं, ओ वुडवर्ड ऐसा था, ये था, वुडवर्ड था, और वो प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा प्लेयर आइडेंटिफिकेशन में थी. लेकिन जो डील कंक्लूजन है वो आसान है ही नहीं यूनाइटेड के लिए, कभी आसान नहीं होती यूनाइटेड के लिए डील कंक्लूजन. आपको यू आर इन दैट फेज कि अभी आपको एक स्क्वाड डेप्थ क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा विद योर परचेसेस, उसके बाद आप जाके ट्रांसफर मार्केट में बेटर हो सकते हैं. बट अकेडमी से निकलने वाले हैं एक दो. This season again, you're going to see at least 1 or 2 players from the academy who get regular time.
So Nikhil, if you look at the current squad, आपने Haaland का नाम लिया and you said कि Haaland has a very good season. I don't agree with that कि Haaland had a good season. कि मतलब Champions League में he scored 5 goals. Apart from that कि उसके 11 गोल थे उस मतलब प्रीमियर लीग सीजन में. बट जो उसके एट्रीब्यूट्स है, बेसिक एट्रीब्यूट्स है, लाइक पासिंग, फर्स्ट टच, मतलब बॉल मैनिपुलेशन, आई थिंक उसका जो एक एट्रीब्यूट जो अच्छा है वो शूटिंग है. शूटिंग इज गुड. लेकिन जो अदर एट्रीब्यूट्स है वो मतलब क्या है कि मेरे हिसाब से हॉलैंड अभी क्या कर रहा है, वो लड़ जाता रहा है सेंटर बैक से, अदर देन कि मतलब अपने गेम पे फोकस करे कि वन टच पास खेले या फिर मतलब बाकी मिडफील्डर्स को गेम में लाए. पर वो उसका काम नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड कि उनका काम जो है वो फिनिश करने का है. पर लेकिन जब तक स्ट्राइकर ये नहीं करेगा कि तुम्हारे चांसेस इतने ज्यादा नहीं बनेंगे उस केस में.
देखो नो प्रॉब्लम है इसमें. इसके जस्ट लुक एट हॉलैंड्स लास्ट 2 गोल्स इन द प्रीमियर लीग. एक वेस्ट हैम वाला और एक जो उसका लास्ट गोल था अगेंस्ट, दोस आर 2
राइट फुट से मारा जो उसने.
तो दोस आर राइट फॉर एज ऑफ द बॉक्स, एक्सीलेंट गोल्स. प्रॉब्लम क्या है हॉलैंड के, अगर आपके विंगर्स ऐसे हैं जो क्रॉस नहीं डालते तो क्या करेगा यार? व्हाट इज ही सपोज्ड टू डू एज अ स्ट्राइकर, प्योर नंबर 9, राइट? सो उसको भी he's basically being forced to play as a player who's going to run onto the ball, which means he's waiting for the pass to come from midfield. So let's see what they do. I think there may even be, they're not going to do 4-4-2. I don't think, although 4-4-2 is the preferred defensive shape for everyone now. Everyone starts with a 4-4-2 defensive shape. और ये जो shapes होती हैं, जो आपको formations बताई जाती हैं start में मैच के, वो हमेशा defensive formation होती है. It's not the attacking formation. Attacking formation तो 4-1-4-1 हो जाती है कभी कभी. इनफैक्ट उससे भी मैं आपको शुरू से ही बोला, मेरे हिसाब से इनमें से कोई भी ऐसा ट्रांसफर नहीं है जो बहुत ज्यादा डायनामिक ट्रांसफर है. ये ग्रेजुअल स्क्वाड बिल्डअप की बात है, ग्रेजुअल क्वालिटी बिल्डअप की बात है, और कोई तरीका ही नहीं है इनके पास.
या आई मीन जिस हिसाब से आप बोल रहे हो, आई मीन सो मतलब यू आर ओके विद द प्लेयर्स, क्रॉप ऑफ प्लेयर्स who they have been playing with the right. मेरे को नहीं लगा कि एक Man United fan is okay with Maguire. He's
so
okay
bullish.
हाँ yeah, he's okay with McTominay. He's okay with again.
भी नहीं सकते इस प्रॉब्लम.
मतलब
Rashford, Bruno, Casemiro,
Rafael Varane after recording, Luke Shaw.
No.
I mean,
no. What I'm saying is that जो सेंट्रल मिडफील्ड है वो तो बहुत ही बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. लेकिन आपका डिफेंस भी प्रॉब्लम थी, और जो सिस्टम टेना खेलना चाहता है उसको डिफेंडर, ही नीड्स बॉल पासिंग डिफेंडर्स, तो पहले वहां कंसंट्रेशन आई है इनकी. बट ये प्रॉब्लम जो यूनाइटेड के स्क्वाड की है, ये आप एक समर विंडो में तो कर ही नहीं सकते, तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
ये तुम्हारा जो ये कोबी माइनो पे इतना प्रेशर तुम डाल रहे हो, I don't think you cannot rely on a teenager for a season.
No, I completely agree. In fact, now there's going to be a second one. You watch for this kid, Toby Collier. Toby Collier is what Ten Hag is looking at as his first phase midfielder, along with Maino. I mean, you're looking at 2 18, 19-year-olds, 20-year-olds. Yeah, it's a little risky, you know.
Yes, of course, that's the what risky, right? तुम्हारा aim क्या है अभी next season? I don't think so. जिस हिसाब से ये लोग बोल रहे हैं, तो इनका aim top 4 भी नहीं है. They want a pretty decent season. They don't want to have the.
अगर Ten Hag ने last season ये decide किया if Ten Hag had not messed around and decided that he wants to play a very open system, because he played a very open system for 5-6 months in the league. अगर उतना ओपन सिस्टम टेन हाग ने नहीं खेला होता ना, तो हम टॉप 4 वैसे भी आ रहे थे. We missed top 4 by 7-8 points eventually after all the drama, right? So if he plays less of an open system and he focuses more on points, top 4, this squad is good enough for top 4. There's enough talent there for top 4, but it's only for top 4, and it's not as if you're systemically creating something. आर्सेनल जब 8th आ रही होती थी, उस टाइम भी दिख रहा होता था कि एक सिस्टम बन रहा है ना. आप शुरू में आप लिवरपूल और आर्सेनल का कंपैरिजन कर रहे थे एकदम माने. So yes, Arsenal lacked that great striker, but Arsenal have not built like Liverpool. Arsenal have built what most experts believe is the best defensive structure in the world. So आपका जो गोल डिफरेंस था, वो ज्यादा गोल्स मारने से नहीं आया था, वो actually because you gave such few goals. So it's an incredible defensive system. He just needs to be able to add the correct striker. Basically, Jesus and Nketiah are not getting you the goals that you needed. वही फर्क रह गया और कोई फर्क नहीं रह गया. पर उसने जो डिफेंसिव स्ट्रक्चर बनाया वो कमाल का है. यूनाइटेड इस पोजीशन में ही नहीं है कि इन स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में इस तरीके से अभी पर्सनल को प्रॉपरली प्लेस कर सके. लाइक टुडे आर्सेनल नोज दे वांट सलीबा एंड गैब्रियल इन सेंट्रल डिफेंस, probably Ben White at right back. They can even go get another better right back if they want, a more attacking right back if they want. They know exactly why they want Odegaard in midfield, exactly why they want Declan Rice in midfield. What Havertz's role is in the advanced 8. They know all these things inside out, right? That structure is very clear, both on ball, off ball. In that, जो drawn game थी City और Arsenal की 0-0, really boring bloody.
But it was more.
But City didn't have a whiff. City didn't have a whiff because defensive structure इतना strong था कि City का chance ही नहीं था कोई.
I think that was the only. I think that was the reason. If you want to, go and win the English Premier League, you want to be a champion, right? Then you have to, attack in sorts of fields. I think Arteta ने वो थोड़ा miscalculate कर लिया. I think he celebrated a draw like a win, right? I think he got much criticism after the season when the season ended. So it was not a good enough result for us. But ये आप बोल रहे हो कि यूनाइटेड का जो स्क्वाड है, जो अभी प्रेजेंट स्क्वाड है, जो मतलब जर्सी आ गया, डेलिट आ गया, और now they should at least be in the top 4. That means let's see.
मैं तो आपको कह रहा हूँ कि लास्ट सीजन भी टॉप 4 होना चाहिए.
I don't think you have a good enough squad for last season.
कौन खेलेगा?
Because I tell you, you have many holes in your squad. First of all, the big size hole is number 6. कि कैसेमिरो अब वो काम करने लायक रहा नहीं है. Either his legs is gone or either his brain is gone. तो उसे मन ही नहीं है करने का कि हाँ मुझे नहीं करना. 350 pounds आ रहे हैं मेरे पर वीक के, बहुत है मेरे लिए. तो I will earn enough. तो उसको कैसेमिरो को करने का मन ही नहीं है. He has given up now, at least on Ten Hag. उसके बाद second big hole is Bruno Fernandes. कि ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस जितना नेट पॉजिटिव है टीम के लिए, उससे ज्यादा वो नेट नेगेटिव है, क्योंकि वो बहुत बार बॉल लूज करता है. आई डोंट नो कि फिर बुलिश ऑन ब्रूनो और नॉट, बट आपके अपने ट्वीट से देखा कि आप थोड़ा बहुत ब्रूनो पे बुलिश ही हो. लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से वो जितनी बार बॉल, मतलब जो एक्स्ट्रा उसके एक्स फैक्टर पासेस होते हैं, वो हमेशा पास करता है, वो प्रोबेबिलिटी पासेस खेलता है. पर उसके जो
एवरी यूनाइटेड फैन नोज दिस पास,
उसके जो टर्नओवर्स है ना, उसकी वजह से जो टर्नओवर्स होते हैं, both are very deadly.
He doesn't just lose the ball, he loses the ball in hitting places.
Yeah. तो उसके बाद Rashford is a big hole. 350,000 pound पे है वो, और he is not a good season. उसके 2 सीजन अच्छे गए हैं बस अभी तक 6-7 साल में, and he is not a boy now. He is a man. 26-27 ईयर का Rashford होने वाला है. राइट विंग के पास कोई नहीं है. तो उसके बाद लेफ्ट बैक लूक शॉ का भविष्य थोड़ा खराब है. Luke Shaw, मतलब injured है.
He's not going to play the whole season, bro. Luke Shaw खेल नहीं सकता वो.
इतने सारे last season holes थे निकल, and still you said कि bullish हो कि Manchester could have finished in top. Chelsea का इतना गंदा सीजन रहा है, Chelsea finished above you. वैसा.
Yeah, but where did it all go wrong, boss? Look at the number of late goals United conceded for all of that to fall away, right? You lose the Chelsea game at 2 late.
But you won so many matches, you don't remember the Wolves match?
Wolves match.
You were so lucky. 2 late goals that you won by, but you lost so many games in the Champions League, in the Premier League, to these late goals that you were conceding out of nowhere. Right, so my genuine feeling is you're right about the 6, but they want to buy a 6. They're talking about Ugarte right now. They may go to another 6. Dekhte hain, but 6 is a clear priority. You have to buy a 6. There's no question about that. Absolutely no question about that.
No, but is this what you expected of Ineos? Is this what you? I mean, I
In
think.
the first summer, yeah, this is what I expect.
Oh, okay. So you wanted a half decent signing from Xerxes. मतलब जो Delict
No,
जो
no,
है.
not wanted, not wanted. I know this is practical. I know there is nothing else possible. You don't have the money to go out and do more.
They.
And Delete is
Or
and Delete is a player
and you
who
haven't even got the scouting network that properly will come and tell you, all right, where is your Moises Caicedo? How can you go find the next Moises Caicedo? You
and
don't even have that in place.
Delete is a player who is replaced by Eric Dyer by Tuchel. Delete को Dyer ने replace किया. आप ये सोचो कि Dyer, you are long on Delete
I'm
again. I
not.
don't.
I look at Delict and I think two things. All right,
Hmm.
Delict. Bayern fans didn't want him to go, and one of the reasons that there was a lot of anger towards Tuchel was because of the way he was treating Delict compared to Dyer. And Dyer was, I mean, what does one say about a manager when he gets obsessed with players this way? What is Eric Dyer going to do, boss? क्या करने वाला है Eric Dyer?
वो तो मेरा भी क्वेश्चन यही था. डायर क्या
Best
कर देगा भाई? डायर ने किया ही
team
क्या
in
है
the
जिंदगी
Champions
में?
League final.
मतलब क्या बोले आदमी यार, अगर मैनेजर ऐसा कर, आप मुझसे पहले बोल रहे थे Xerxes, why was Xerxes not picked by Holland ahead of Vegas? Dutch people also consider that Ronald Koeman is like their Gareth Southgate. या क्या कर लोगे यार? What do you do about a manager who thinks this way? Same problem happened to Kane. Kane वहां बैठा हुआ है, खेले जा रहा है. He can't play. His movement is worse. He's injured, but you don't want to play Watkins. The moment you play Watkins, you get a goal. The moment you play Palmer, you get goals. ये मैनेजर्स के अपने क्वर्क्स होते हैं, वो तो अलग बात है. बट डिलिक्ट इज अ प्लेयर, या इवन मेरे को भी यही था कि बॉस व्हाई आर वी इन्वेस्टिंग इन डिलिक्ट. बट जहां पे भी ये जा रहे हैं लोग, दे हैव अ बिड एक्सेप्टेड फॉर लेनी यूरो. नाउ लेनी यूरो कैन कम. लेनी यूरो इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी रेडी नाउ,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? So this is the way this is going to go. It's going to be painful for 2 to 3 seasons. There's no doubt about it in my mind. और उन 2-3 सीजन में आप सही कह रहे हो, ब्रूनो भी चले जाएगा.
Hmm.
And perhaps Xerxes is going to be developed as the kind of player who will replace him as a better defensive 10.
Yeah. हाँ, कि वो केन वाला काम कर सकता है ना, कि केन जो ड्रॉप करता है वो Xerxes मच बेटर वे में कर पाएगा, और
That's
फिर
right.
स्प्रे पासेस से.
And एक फर्क है यार, Xerxes 6'4", he's a big boy.
Hmm.
He's 23, 6'4", you can work with him. देखो, United have always gone into the Premier League just good enough for a top 4 squad. Because I'll tell you, Spurs will always fall apart. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Villa may be good for a while, but Villa, I genuinely don't know how long this goes on because depth की problem आने लगती है. Chelsea, genuine problem. Liverpool will be a little bit iffy. Who knows how things go for Arne Slot, how these players sort of react to last season, because their last 2-3 months last season were bad.
Exactly.
Liverpool were very bad. Like Liverpool basically fell apart after that FA Cup match against United.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So let's see how all of it goes. United have no claim. I'm not sitting here claiming that United will make top 4, but I think the squad is good enough. If you don't make top 4 with the squad, you get fired. End of story.
Yes, I mean वो तो डबल जेपर्डी.
सेंचो के बारे में तो पूछ रहे, सेंचो.
नहीं उसका
मेरे को नहीं पता. देखो, मेरे को तो ये चीजें बड़ी ऑड लगती हैं यार, कि आप मतलब इतनी प्रॉब्लम के बाद आप वापस ले आए, बट उनकी प्रॉब्लम है. आई मीन प्लीज लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. पीएसआर की प्रॉब्लम है. आप मार्केट में इस और अब आप उसको बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. उसकी वेजेस आपने एज यूजुअल
350.
वुडवर्ड एरा वेजेस हैं. Those wages are at 300k, 250k, 270k. You've already invested 70 odd million in his fee. That means you need at least 30 odd million
amortization के बाद.
With someone taking.
निखिल आपका
कहाँ मिलेगा? वो नहीं मिलेगा. Same with Anthony. You can't get rid of him. You have to use him. Tough luck.
Yeah.
पर मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कैसे हो रहा है. Honestly, I don't get it. I never had this in a podcast.
पता नहीं, ये weird है actually. मतलब maybe Google का server.
Google Meet खराब
I
है.
am on a very strong network. I do my case hearings also from.
अभी भी.
Okay, let me try another network and then let.
मतलब पहल ये तो है. मतलब चल इसके बाद बोलते हैं. मैन यूनाइटेड का तो मतलब नेक्स्ट सीजन
3 बड़े-बड़े होल्स हैं उनके पास. रैशफोर्ड, माउंट एंड सैंचो. These are the big headaches for Ten Hag now. कि माउंट ना नंबर 6 है ना नंबर 8 है. वो पिवट में भी नहीं खेल सकता, वो नंबर 8 भी नहीं खेल सकता. रैशफोर्ड का खत्म है, वो कटा भी नहीं पा रहा है आजकल उसमें. ये रैशफोर्ड कैन प्ले बेटर विद Xerxes, जो निखिल बोल रहा था.
सो मतलब ये तो खत्म. ये आई थिंक दिस इज ब्लर्ड आ रहा है तो पूरा. maybe you can send an invite, right? Maybe we can join. Maybe अगर मेरा कुछ बट हम दोनों का तो मेरे को एकदम से
नहीं नहीं,
fuck
हमारा
है।
तो कनेक्टेड है ना
हाँ हाँ।
बिल्कुल स्मूथली।
तो मतलब पाल इससे क्या पता चल रहा है ना कि मैन यूनाइटेड फैंस का तो कुछ है ही नहीं, मतलब लिटरली दे हैव द लीस्ट एक्सपेक्टेशंस आउट ऑफ अ सीजन। सो मतलब ये 10
जैसे कि
मतलब
नो
10
नो नो,
कुछ करना ही नहीं है, मतलब लिटरली आई थिंक दे हैव लॉस्ट होप।
Least expectation. मैंने आपको सीधा बोला, I still expect top four. I expected top four last.
नहीं अगर नहीं भी
He
करता तुम वाले
could
हो
have
गया
got
ना,
top four last season.
नहीं भी
तो
करता
जस्ट
हो
वांट टू
गया।
से आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन सेंटेंस किया ना, बेस्ट चीज जो ग्लेजर्स ने करी है ना, उन्होंने क्या किया कि मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड फैंस को ना टॉटनहम फैंस बना दिया है। नो एक्सपेक्टेशन, जस्ट गुड फुटबॉल इज एनफ।
गुड फुटबॉल, मतलब यही हुआ ना भाई, टॉप फोर
नहीं
अगर
नहीं, हमारा तो
टॉप फोर नहीं
we
हुआ
we
तो
we
ठीक है ना,
still
तुमने
win
क्या
enough.
किया है?
We won enough trophies in the last 10 years to not be Spurs. Yeah, Spurs is too much of an abuse.
नो नो,
We won a
आई एम नॉट
Europa.
सेइंग
We won two FA Cups. We won two Carling Cups. We won enough to not be,
Yeah,
not be Spurs.
I
आई एम
mean
जस्ट सेइंग मेंटालिटी, एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड मेंटालिटी।
यार देखो, मेंटालिटी जरा ठीक है। लिवरपूल भी एंड में एक चैंपियंस लीग, दो चैंपियंस लीग है और एक आपका प्रीमियर लीग टाइटल है। दैट वाज व्हाट हैपेंड ओवर 9-10 इयर्स। सो दिस इज हाउ
एग्जैक्टली
लाइफ
ये तो मैं
ओवर
बोल ही रहा
30
हूँ।
इयर्स,
वो तो
ओवर 30 इयर्स।
मैं तो ये मान रहा हूँ,
इज।
मैं और पाल ये तो यूर्गन क्लॉप को तो बोल रहे हैं ही इज ओवर हाइप्ड। आई मीन
नहीं 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 नहीं
आई मीन
नहीं।
यस ऑफ कोर्स, आई मीन ड्यू टू द विनिंग्स, मतलब विनिंग्स के हिसाब से मैं बता रहा हूँ, एज बिकॉज ही हैड
Brother,
अदर।
4 games. If you change 4 games, he has three
सो
league
ये
titles
तो
and three
हिस्ट्री है ना,
Champions
ये तो
League.
कभी भी कर सकता है, कभी भी ही वॉन द
आप
प्रीमियर
रियल
लीग,
मैड्रिड के बारे में भी बोल सकते हो सेम चीज।
ही
नहीं
वॉन द
नहीं,
कोविड प्रीमियर
listen,
लीग, सो मतलब कोई चाहिए ही
he
नहीं।
was he is fighting a financial cheat. Well, let's be crystal clear what City is. But
No,
he's
no,
the
no, no. I
only
won't
one
agree.
who has kept that league title close, right? He lost once by 1 point, 99 to 100. एक बार last day पे हारे. When they were winning till the 78th minute, they were winning the league title till the 78th minute, right? That season he also loses the Champions League final in a final in which, frankly, Liverpool battered the life out of Real Madrid, and Courtois kept them in the match. And eventually, वो एक weakness सबको पता थी. Trent
Trent.
Alexander-Arnold will get a ball over the top, which Vinny Jr. will get on to, and that's the weakness there is, and that's the weakness that lost them the game, and that was the end of the match.
I mean,
Right?
so you can't discredit, I think, the other teams. So in a way that you are discrediting the other teams because एक बंदे ने बहुत मुश्किल से किया है भाई, ये वो, but भाई other teams ने गोल तो मारा है भाई। अस्टन विला के अगेंस्ट कमबैक करना पैसा थोड़ी उस टाइम उसने मैच में डाला है भाई। अस्टन विला प्लीज डोंट डिफेंड प्रॉपर्ली, अस्टन विला प्लीज
मैं वो नहीं कह रहा,
मोमेंट में।
मैं वो नहीं कह रहा. All I'm trying to say is that when you look at the totality of Klopp, बॉस क्लॉप्स 8 सीजन्स में जो 5 सीजन्स हैं, उसका क्या होता है, हर ऑल्टरनेट सीजन में कोलैप्स आ जाता है ना, व्हेन द लेग्स गो अवे। सो दैट्स फाइन बिकॉज़ यू नो हाउ दे प्ले, वो ऑल्टरनेट सीजन में कोलैप्स आना ही आना है। एंड जो लीग टाइटल है वो भी थोड़ा सा, लाइक एज अ यूनाइटेड फैन, लेट मी बी क्रिटिकल रादर देन बीइंग फेवरेबल टू हिम, इवन हिज लीग टाइटल इज द कोविड लीग टाइटल व्हेन देयर वर नो क्राउड।
वही
Nobody saw that.
Nobody saw it, and you don't have the problem of away crowds, in your players' ears, that kind of thing. But he did enough. I think Jurgen Klopp is too
so
first,
are you
like an
so are you
absolute-
considering
No, why we? Wait, I just tell you why we consider him overrated is like he has one league title and one Champions League title, and Chelsea has won more in that time कि जब से Klopp था, कि Chelsea के पास कोई भी नहीं था. Chelsea has won in Klopp's era. In that
One more,
Klopp's era,
one
more trophies and more मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, और इतनी instability के बाद भी. तो I don't think कि Klopp deserve title in that sense. Second आने पे I should not appreciate.
मतलब
Second and
कैसे है,
90th game है.
प्रीमियर लीग के
crazy है।
मैनेजर के मतलब मैनेजर के लिस्ट में अगर देखा जाए तो वुड यू कंसीडर हिम एज द प्रीमियर लीग मैनेजर लेजेंड, और ही इज
No,
वन
no,
ऑफ द
no.
ग्रेट्स, और ही इज वन ऑफ इज ओके, he's
Hey, you
okay.
can't,
would you
with one league title, you can't be a legend.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
what-
Overrated
that's what-
because now if you ask any Liverpool fan or even anyone from the UK, right, from the UK who is associated in and around Liverpool, right, उन पे बोले अगर यूरोप कैसा है, oh Jurgen Klopp is a legend, he's the one of the he's on
He's a
par.
Liverpool legend. I'll accept that. He's a Liverpool
But
legend.
they never
He's not
do,
a Premier League
they
legend.
never do say that. They always say he's one of the Premier League legends.
That's
मतलब
for them to
manager-
say.
मतलब
That's for them to
मतलब
say.
but this is an agenda which been pushed by establishment. So at
Because
least-
look, you can't put him ahead of Wenger, can you? Wenger's got three league titles. And Wenger
But
was a
Liverpool
marvelous.
fans do. Liverpool fans do.
I mean-
Then अब मैं क्या बोलूं फिर यार?
वही ना, यही एजेंडा है
Basically,
मतलब
the problem is the lack of memory, right? Wenger was a marvelous coach. He was an exceptional
Exactly.
coach.
मतलब Jurgen Klopp is one of the Premier League greats, but never a Premier League legend. He's not on par with Alex Ferguson. He's not on par with
Ferguson is a separate quantity altogether.
हाँ.
भैया
Jose,
Guardiola needs an asterisk or two next to him, boss. What is this? Yeah, you can't like you buy £100 million winger a season and you play him for 4 games. बाकी टाइम वो लिटरली अपना जोकर बना के दारू पी रहा होता चैंपियंस लीग जीतने वाला. This is a joke, boss.
and then you kill his
And then you can go pick up one more for
individuality.
60 million to just replace him for a while. This is ridiculous. Like, it's absolutely ridiculous. No other club has the power to do this because no other club has fake finances of this sort. United could have actually done it, but Woodward just didn't know how to manage a football club.
So just before we move to Euros and some other football talk, I just wanted to get your views on two players. One is Rashford and one is Mason Mount. कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि मेसन माउंट के बारे मेसन माउंट आई जस्ट टेल यू कि मेसन माउंट के बारे में मेरा क्या व्यू है कि वो चेल्सी से आया है उस वे में कि मेसन माउंट वो पिवट में नहीं खेल सकता और वो नंबर 10 नहीं खेल सकता क्योंकि पिवट में क्या है कि उसके पास वो बॉल होल्डिंग और बॉल मैनिपुलेशन स्किल्स नहीं है, ही इज नॉट प्रेस रेजिस्टेंट. और सेकंड चीज कि वो नंबर 10 खेलेगा तो उसके पास वो किलर पासेस नहीं है. तो मेसन माउंट इज अ बिग हेडेक फॉर यू. एंड सेकंड इज Rashford is a big headache for you on 350k. So what's your views on those two players?
Look, when Rashford is bad, he's very bad. When he's good, he just keeps scoring all day long. He just keeps scoring. Like, his finish is an incredible finish. Rashford has alternate seasons, so I'm hoping the alternate season theory comes good and he'll be better this season. When he gets hot, he's crazy. He'll score a goal a game every single week. He'll
But
just
2 seasons out of 7. 2 seasons out of 7.
Three. He's got 3 decent ones. 2 that are standout, but 3 or 4. In fact, even his first season was half a season, but it was a decent entry. He did some very important stuff in that season. After that, really speaking, he did enough. But Mourinho jerked him around a hell of a lot. Both him and Martial. Mourinho literally ruined what was starting to develop into a very good front three. Kya kare? I mean, that was Mourinho. That's how he was.
Because when
The Sanchez transfer killed him. Like, the Sanchez transfer was terrible for Rashi. It was terrible for Martial.
I think
That's how it is. But look, Rashford, this is his last season. This is the one. He has to, if he doesn't perform in this season, he's gone. But the problem again is his wages are so high. Where do you send him?
Exactly.
You're stuck with him, right? Mount, I'm more positive on Mount than perhaps you are because I think he's an 8 and he will play as a 8 where he has to lead the press. Look, you talked about Tuchel that time and Tuchel's preference for Dyer over De Ligt. There was no player that Tuchel loved more than Mount, right? And Mount's a systems player. He was just too injured last year. Like, he was constantly injured last year.
But he played left wing on Chelsea, not number 8 or number 9.
Cutting in, right? But cutting in constantly. So that's how it will be for him. He'll be a wide 8. This was the position that Pogba used to play. But Pogba, of course, infinitely better player. But I don't need Mount to be making the line cutting pass. I need Mount to be receiving the line cutting pass because for all the risk taking, that's Bruno. That's Bruno and that'll be Menu. But let's see how many games he gets and he fits into this whole thing now.
Yeah,
एक प्रॉब्लम सबसे पहले जो होने वाली है जो लीग टाइटल like this league title like everybody is coming back from a tournament. Nobody's going to start fast.
Exactly.
I mean, if you look at City's first 2 games are actually quite tough. I think one's is it Chelsea and Ipswich away. Yeah, and Ipswich away. I mean, these are you can get lost a little quickly in all of this. So I don't know. I think it'll be a slow start for most. Not slow start, but slow season for most teams. Players have to collapse at some point, but this has become ridiculous. Like, सीजन के बीच में वर्ल्ड कप कर दिया, उसके बाद तुम्हारा ये this useless European Nations League चलता रहता है till June. They don't get a full month and a half, 2 months to recover properly. And pre-seasons are not what they used to be either. So let's see. I'm very negative about how teams will perform. I mean, there will be injuries. There will be more injuries.
Yeah, I think this season, agar Euros, I think pretty much every top team will face the drainage effect. I mean, because people, though they would come refreshed, I think they won't be able to prolong that higher level.
England made the final, right? So England takes up so many players from all these clubs, from the big clubs, right? So those players are there, and they haven't rested till the middle of July. So how do you start in the middle of August? They can't start a season in the middle of August. So if you don't play them as a manager, Fergie used to do this. He used to not play these guys till September. I mean, he used to take Carrick and pretty much wrap him in cotton wool and not play him till middle of September, end September at times. Because when he knew that when Carrick is ready, perfect. Like, Carrick will take care of my midfield, no problem at all. That's how the great managers do it. But if a United can't play Menu for 4 games, 5 games at the start of the season, or if Chelsea can't play Cole Palmer for a while, right, or a couple of other players who were with Cucurella, for that matter, or a few others, right, it'll hurt you, boss. It'll hurt
Enzo, Caicedo, both are there in Copa.
yeah, it'll hurt you for sure. वो problem तो आएगी.
Yeah. So Nikhil, just before we move to the Euros, एक छोटा सा गेम खेलते हैं जिसमें I'll give you all the United players and you just quickly say buy, sell or loan.
भाई मैं भी बताऊंगा.
Just say buy, sell or loan on your views on each and every player.
You mean keep, sell or loan? Buy क्या होता अपना ही है ना?
Yeah, sorry. Keep, sell or loan. Sorry. Yeah. So first है 3 गोलकीपर के बारे में बात करते हैं. First is Bayern.
Do whatever the hell you want with him.
Yeah.
I'll tell you honestly, I saw him even in the Euro. It doesn't seem much of a keeper. I don't know what this investment, but it's a cheap investment, so who cares? I would probably want to keep Vitek over Bayern.
अच्छा. दूसरा है Tom Heaton. तो Tom Heaton is gone or he is still there?
I don't think he signed a new contract yet.
Yeah. So Andre Onana obviously you will keep.
Yeah. And I want to keep him. I think he ended the season strong.
Yeah, he ended the season. Even I agree to this. I mean, उसके पास है. He's prone to mistakes. आजकल तो सारे goalkeeper.
He's got one technical serious error. This error even De Gea used to have. I don't know if the continental keeper problem. The dive, he doesn't go for the low ball very well. The high flying ball, those are the experts at, right?
Reaction
Plus, he's a good passer. He's going to get the players in front of him to be able to pass the ball better.
De Gea इसीलिए पैर यूज करता था अपने मुंह से जब लो वाले होते थे ना De Gea हमेशा पैर लेके आता था.
But पहले season में until the Chelsea game at Stamford Bridge, which was a famous 3-3, he had a lot of problem with the low shots. They were all taking shots at him. I mean, that doesn't compare to Onana. Onana, what he missed in the first half of the season was just some crazy stuff. Champions League को single-handedly खत्म कर दी उसने.
Yeah. So let's move to defenders now. Victor Lindelof.
Sell.
Harry Maguire.
Very 50-50. I would. Depends on incomings. If decent incomings, if you get 2 new defenders, sell. Otherwise, keep.
Martinez. Lisandro Martinez.
There's no question. You have to keep.
Malacia.
You have to keep. You have no choice. He has come back from the dead. He has come back from the dead. He is running on the grass now, so you have to keep him.
Okay. Diego Dallo.
Absolutely keep. Superb player. He had a good season last season.
Luke Shaw.
He's our best left back. You have to keep him.
Seriously?
Best left back in what? In your squad?
Yeah. Best. He's one of the best left backs in the world. There's no doubt about it. He just won't be fit enough for long enough.
Seriously, you think that?
You want to get 35-40 games out of him if you possibly can in a season. He delivers really well. He's a superb player. His technicality is incredible. Even in that Euro final, he was technically good. Menu was technically good. England may lack technicality elsewhere, but Shaw does not lack for technical expertise.
For 4 games a season, for 5 games a season.
No, it was only last season. I think last season was particularly bad for him.
Since 11 years, he has missed like 4 or 5 years, Nikhil.
Before that.
I mean,
he has been in Manchester United for 11 years and he has been missed like 5-6 years straight away.
Somebody went and smashed his leg to pieces, yeah. Somebody broke his leg to pieces, boss.
No, but
like
you feel for the player.
And by the way, he didn't even get a yellow card for that. He didn't even get a yellow card. Forget about red card. He didn't even get a yellow card for that.
But you feel sorry for the player, right? But you see, of course, you feel sorry for the player.
आप Manchester fan, आप Luke Shaw fan नहीं हो ना?
Let's be clear. The statistic is he's played about 49% of his games, right? But you have to then account for the fact that a year and a half is completely out.
Yeah, but that's the case, right? Do you want him? He's a double jeopardy wala banda hai. Jab khelega.
Yeah, but his in Ten Hag's first season, he was vital. Like the technical quality he brings is too high. There is no way I would want Shaw out of the club. No chance.
Sure. Okay. Aaron Wan-Bissaka.
I don't think there is another defender on the planet that gives you the attributes of Wan-Bissaka. There are for certain games I want Wan-Bissaka. You know that FA Cup final when Doku comes on, it's all Wan-Bissaka. वो गोल भी गलती से ओनाना ने दिया, Wan-Bissaka ने नहीं दिया.
Wan-Bissaka जो टेक्निकल एबिलिटी में उसका जो फीफा में उसका काम
देगा. There is no other player like him.
उसका डिफेंसिव एट्रीब्यूट 100 है.
No other player like him. There is no one else like him.
Attacking attribute 0 है. Defensive attribute मतलब 100.
I think people are a little harsh on him about his attacking attribute also. He's decent on ball control. I think what he's poor at is crossing. but ball control, possession control, he's decent.
No, Nikhil, he is poor on everything. On the ball, he is poor on everything.
No.
He can't pass.
I watch him week in, week out. I'll tell you where he's poor is positional.
I also watch week in, week out.
Positional going forward, he's weak.
going
But defensively, he's just stunning.
This is-
So I would keep him just because of the contract.
Yeah, he's a defender version of Declan Rice.
Yeah, some games you need.
हो सकता है बट व्हाट अबाउट एक्चुअली उसके ऑफ द फील्ड भी बहुत सारे कांड है एक्चुअली फैंस टर्न्ड अगेंस्ट हिम व्हेन ऑफ द फील्ड उसके बहुत सारे कांड हुए थे उसके साथ उसने फैंस ने भी मतलब यूके के जो मीडिया है एक्चुअली
Van Bissaka.
हम
Yeah, I think he has three.
वैन बिसाका उसका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रोवर्सी था ना उसके एलिगेशन हुए थे ट्विटर में लीक हुए थे फाइल्स
No, I didn't know. I think he has 3 kids or something or the other.
Yeah, but I think there was many files. Even I've seen those things. But जो पहली बार जब ट्रेस उसके against turn हुआ, actually it was because of that particular reason. He was a woman abuser or something. तुम्हारे
Mason
Abuser नहीं होगा, womanizer होगा, abuser नहीं होगा यार, abuser में तो केस लग गया होता कहीं ना कहीं।
नहीं लगा था उसको लगा था बट उसने allegations थे बट उसने डिस्प्रूव किया है उसके चैट सब
बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स पे है वैसे पार्टी पे भी केस चल ही रहा है कुछ ना कुछ आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज पार्टी पे भी कुछ चल ही रहा है मेसन ग्रीनवुड तो है ही निखिल नोज बेटर उसमें मैं पर निखिल व्हाट डू यू थिंक आई जस्ट अ स्मॉल क्वेश्चन कि इन योर व्यू शुड मतलब अभी पूरा केस सेटल हो गया है मेसन ग्रीनवुड इज आउट ऑफ मतलब एवरीथिंग इन दैट केस उसने शादी भी कर ली है उसी लड़की से तो शुड मैन यूनाइटेड गो अहेड एंड टेक मेसन ग्रीनवुड बिकॉज़ इन माय व्यू मेसन ग्रीनवुड इज द बेस्ट स्ट्राइकर इन द कंट्री मेरे हिसाब से शूटर वो लीड है
आप लोगों के 2 छोटे क्लब हैं आप लोग रख सकते थे हम नहीं रख सकते हमारा स्टेटस मैन यूनाइटेड वी कांट डू इट हमारा पूरा ब्रिटेन पागल हो जाता है वी कांट डू इट जस्ट कांट
मतलब ये है कि यार प्लेयर
बट लीगली ही इज आउट ऑफ एवरीथिंग राइट
लीगली मे बी आउट ऑफ एवरीथिंग बट ही लुक इसको एक प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है या तो ये खुद आके स्टेटमेंट देता और अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करता कुछ तो बोलता ही इज डन नथिंग right he's let all of this pile up and tough luck for him all of the evidence that was placed by her on record was all video evidence photo evidence audio evidence bhai कैसे मतलब how do you ignore this right
पर एंटनी ने भी तो सेम किया पर एंटनी वाला तो एंटनी ने कुछ नहीं हुआ यूट्यूब पे
Anthony has not even been charged literally he went and said I'll disprove this case fully disprove this case
नहीं तो पर आप एक मेसन ग्रीनवुड में मोरालिटी ला रहे हो और एंटनी में लीगैलिटी ला रहे हो तो दैट्स
नहीं डिस्प्रूव करना इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग मेसन ग्रीनवुड हैज नॉट डिस्प्रूव मेसन ग्रीनवुड हैज मैनेज्ड हिज केस ही हैज नॉट डिस्प्रूव्ड हिज केस
ओके so last defender on the list is Johnny Evans
1 season why not keep him whenever he's played well
Sure. So let's move to midfielders. So Amrabat, I think he's already gone.
No, not yet gone. And I think as a second choice 6, you won't get a quality of that sort for a price that you're going to get him at. You can get him at about 17.5 million pounds, which for a backup 6 is, I think, you're not going to get a cheaper backup 6 than that of that quality.
Yeah.
And he's 28. He can give you 4-5 seasons.
Yeah. Mason Mount.
There's no option. You have to keep him. You can't.
No, I'm asking yours.
No, I would keep. I like Mount as a player. I think Mount is a very good technical player. How you use him, that we'll have to see. But I think he's a very good player.
I don't think so. He's a so technical player. I think Mount, Gallagher, McTominay, ये सब एक ही mold के players हैं वैसा उसे कि they can score sometime, but technically they are not that decent. Bruno Fernandes.
This season definitely key.
Christian Eriksen.
Gone.
He was one of the best seasons in Denmark actually. He was one of the best player in Denmark. For the group games he was one of the best players actually.
हाँ उस गोल भी मारे थे उसने काफी.
Slower format game and one game tournament is not a season. Yeah. Season is a different thing. Eriksen can't be there anymore.
उसका जो पेस मेकर का उसको पेस उसने बढ़ा दिया. भाग सकता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत अभी.
अमाड इन्होंने मिडफील्डर्स में लिख रखा था अमाड लेकिन
Diallo.
I'm a big fan of Ahmad. I'm hoping to see a lot more of him.
Okay. Casemiro
has to go. I don't know. They have to find a way to sell him. They have to get him off the books. They have to get him
Saudi oil money. That is the only way to sell him.
that is the only one.
That's the only way you have. But they have to get him off the books. There's no way. I mean, his performance is not bad. It's just I think it just fell off a cliff. Like it's abysmal.
Pelistri.
यार एक था मैं आपको बताऊं एक स्ट्रक्चरल प्रॉब्लम थी कि उसको अकेला बहुत छोड़ा हुआ था मिडफील्ड में ठीक है मैं मानता हूं बट ही वाज अबिस्मल इवन व्हेन ही वाज इन अ बेटर स्ट्रक्चर Like the number of times last season you've seen those goals scored where the opposing midfielder has the ball, and instead of just staying with him, because Casemiro doesn't have the legs, he dives in.
उस ओलिसे वाला गोल जो हुआ था,
And Olise, there are at least 5 such goals where the guy just goes past him after this, and there'll be 20 times an opportunity was created which didn't create a goal. So, those are traits that don't go away. That means that your legs are gone, you can't play.
Pelistri,
Has to be sold. That's where you're going to make your money. Has to be sold.
Mino,
Maynard obviously has to.
McTominay.
I would keep McTominay only because of 2 reasons. One, whatever you like, whatever you say, he does get you goals when you need them. Second, like you saw in the FA Cup final, if you give him a proper defensive role, he can discharge it. He's not going to be the guy to spray the ball around the place, but he does enough short passing, just enough to get it out of the. And when he gets on the run with the ball, he can progress the ball reasonably. He is a functional player, a squad player, but all squads need them.
Hannibal.
Sorry?
Hannibal.
I think he'll have to be sold.
Okay, so let's move to the attackers now. Marcus Rashford.
I have to keep.
Hoyland.
Keep.
Garnacho.
Absolutely keep.
Anthony.
If you could sell him, but you can't sell him.
Jadon Sancho.
Same.
Again, I would sell him, but if you can't sell him, you have to keep him. What do you do?
Okay, so that's conclude our stock. So लेकिन आपकी ज़्यादा sell है नहीं. You don't have much sell or loan kind of a thing. तो मतलब how would you replace the player? जो player delete आएगा, so you have to replace those players ना कि ऐसा मतलब 28 man squad.
Delict का तो Varane चला गया ना, so Delict is for Varane.
Okay.
डिलेक्ट और मैगवायर का पार्टनरशिप है एकदम दोनों स्लो इतना हग्गू पार्टनरशिप है मैंने आज तक दुनिया में नहीं देखा है डिलेक्ट के हमेशा कोई ना कोई पेसी बंदा रहता है अगर इफ यू वांट डिलेक्ट टू मेक रन्स वो ही इज द लास्ट डिच टैकलर ही इज नोन फॉर हिज लास्ट डिच टैकलिंग मतलब वो कभी भी पोजिशनली ही इज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट लाइक वरान को पता है कि कहाँ पे रहना है वो रहना है आई थिंक ही वाज वन ऑफ द रीजन यू वॉन्ट द Manchester City.
I'm very disappointed they didn't re-sign Varane. Very disappointed. I think that Varane has at least 2-3 more decent seasons in him, boss.
Exactly.
What a guy to have in the dressing room, यार वो कभी तंग नहीं करता वो कुछ नहीं करता. But I think what happened last season was he was one of those guys leading a revolt against Ten Hag.
Exactly. You
want to get rid of both Varane and Casemiro. Ki boss, either you back the manager or you back the player. So you choose. I think it's the first time Manchester United as a club have decided screw the players, we're going to back the manager.
ठीक है मैं ये एक इनिशियल पर्सपेक्टिव था कि ये मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ आई मीन जब से मैं फुटबॉल देख रहा हूँ आई एम अ क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो फैन it's not because of the debate between CR7 versus Messi. I don't get involved in that shit. But it's because my nature is always been suited to one guy and also I have taken a lot of things from him. But when he came back to Man United with Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, ये बहुत बड़ा rumors फैले थे कि Ole did not need him. उसके बाद Ole ने मतलब ओले गुनर सोल्शर ने बोल दिया कि देयर वाज सम कन्वर्सेशंस ठीक है ये सब रूमर्स फैले थे बट व्हाई द सडन चेंज इन not in the dressing room but especially in the United media that you started a sort of a campaign against Cristiano that Ole did not need him first. That was the first campaign. फिर जब उसके बाद जब टेनाग के अगेंस्ट आया कि टेनाग was doing something with Ronaldo but Ronaldo सुन नहीं रहा था and Ronaldo created a मतलब ये ड्रेसिंग रूम के उसने काफी harsh ड्रेसिंग रूम उसने क्रिएट किया.
Ole didn't need him because Ole was front three the preceding season. His front three was as prolific as Liverpool's front three.
Exactly.
That was Rashford, Martial, and Greenwood together. Now you come and you bring in problems. Ronaldo has to play every game, so you disrupted this. So your growth and your development is gone, right? So ये बहुत ही खराब decision था. मेरे हिसाब से तो बहुत ही खराब decision था. This is almost at par with signing Alexis Sanchez. It was that disruptive. And for United, it's a crime that you get a player with the natural ability of Anthony Martial and he's over with bad transfer, you ruin the guy. Just terrible, like absolutely terrible. So, Ronaldo, आप pressing system की तरफ जा रहे हो, पूरी league pressing system की तरफ जा रही है. आप striker ऐसा लेते हो जो कभी, मतलब he can't do more than 3 presses in a game. Yeah. What do you do with that? Then what's the point of all of this? It doesn't make sense. So, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, यूनाइटेड की ट्रांसफर स्ट्रेटजी पागल होती थी. Like he is saying, I need a 6 and I need a right back. That is the season, summer in which he wanted Trippier. Like, and Trippier has contributed a lot of assists for Newcastle over these 3 seasons. They said we have no money, but the moment Ronaldo lands up, you find this massive wages money for him and also the transfer fee for him. What the hell? So what, like, you know, in terms of squad construction, he was left short.
So you are so confident against Anthony Martial that he could have surpassed Cristiano Ronaldo. मतलब ये तो मतलब Paul, this
No, it's
is
not
about
about
the
surpassing.
opinion जो है
No,
ना,
no.
मतलब
No,
ये जो
that's-
opinion है, इसको तो
that's-
मैं opinion भी नहीं ले सकता. It's
That's
sort
a
of
silly
मतलब
way
यहाँ
of
से ये
framing
पता
what
चल
I'm
रहा है
saying.
कि Nikhil Mehra is a Messi fan.
No,
He
that's a
is
silly
a
way of
complete.
framing what
I
I'm
mean,
saying.
be-
I don't want Ronaldo at the age of, yeah, look, boss, here's the thing. I was a United fanatic at, you know, in my late teens and early 20s when we created Ronaldo. All right. And let's be crystal clear, we created Ronaldo. That demon that you saw as a player who got just better and better and better season on season, that happened at United, right? But I also saw his attitude. I then followed everything at Madrid. His last season at Madrid, Zidane was literally like, भाई तेरे को मैं 60 मिनट खेलूंगा, बेंच से लाऊंगा, कुछ गेम में तेरे को नहीं खिलाऊंगा मैं, because the output was zero. But because of the physical output, the goals will always be there. That's always Ronaldo's game, right? He goes to Juventus, who've been winning titles, stop winning titles. What happens to Juventus? Ronaldo scores
ये
his
क्या?
40 goals.
Bro, no, you've got the history wrong, bro.
No. They
ये
won 1 title out of his 3 seasons, and when
हाँ.
time came, they were like, "To Nikal,
Even
bhai, please."
I don't think so. Even before they were winning constantly titles and all, Juventus
वो
were
भी a
doing
lot of-
decent.
नहीं वो 6-7 टाइटल लगातार जीते थे
लगातार
वो।
उससे पहले था.
क्या कर
उससे
रहे हैं
पहले
यार?
रोनाल्डो के पहले सीजन वो जीते थे क्या?
Yeah, I know this hurts, but I'm telling you, he scores 30-40 goals as always, but the team's total goals collapse. Right?
तो
And then-
you're saying कि जो मैनचेस्टर में जो उसने 18 गोल्स मारे थे तो उसका स्कोर 18 हो गया, लेकिन उसके बाद टीम के गोल कम हो गए।
आपका सिस्टम नहीं डेवलप हो सकता उसके अराउंड यार. You can't develop
Oh.
and I'll tell you on top of that, you can't have both Ronaldo and Bruno.
एग्जैक्ट, वो तो जो फॉर्चून कर रही है अभी।
It's really difficult for any manager to build a squad that, because of systems का हो गया ना यार. एक जमाने में तो I would have loved it, having both Bruno and Ronaldo would have been like what a lottery है, मस्ती है देखने में. But systems इतने ज्यादा tight हो गए हैं अब that you can't play both together. So Ronaldo was a big mistake by United, and I admire the club for when Ten Hag said नहीं करना तो नहीं करना है उसको, and he realized it. उसके बाद it's up to him. Look, I will always love Ronaldo. I mean, I've watched his greatest years developing at United, but he was not right for United at that time.
So what happened after Ronaldo? Ronaldo तो चला गया ना. उसके बाद क्या हुआ सीजन का? United सीजन का.
What happened? You saw what happened.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You saw what happened. So he's not the reason, right? Then.
No. That season went perfectly well. It was Rashford who stepped up with the goals.
Which season? With the season which Ronaldo went.
Yes,
But what
we
was the
ended
output?
third.
I'm saying
We
the
ended
output.
we ended up third in the season. How
Okay,
we
so
were never
third.
going to be good enough to finish ahead of both Liverpool and City. Yeah,
Bro,
वो तो
मैं
chance
इससे सीधा expectation में समझ गया, bro. These guys are just above Tottenham. They just would, मतलब they just
No,
want to
it's
be
not,
in the
it's not about
conversation.
बहुत expectation की बात नहीं, एक reality होती है यार.
I-
This is your squad.
वही
This is
तो
your squad
है,
quality right now.
reality के हिसाब से तो
देखो मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं. अभी अगर आपको लिवरपूल फैन ये मुड़ के बोल रहा है ना that we expect to win the title, आप उसे अफीम चखा दो please.
no, they
Because
have
they're
the
not gonna do it.
confidence. उनको बोलना है कि they can challenge for the title.
ठीक है
Liverpool
यार,
were
मैं भी
in a
बोल देता हूँ, मैं भी बोल देता हूँ यूनाइटेड विल विन द लीग टाइटल. हो गया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? It doesn't work like that, right? Where your squad stands, you can't win. You can't win.
So रोनाल्डो से परफेक्ट सेगवे टू यूरोस है। सेम चीज जो बोला था कि निखिल जस्ट like few minutes of your time on just यूरोस की
Bro,
यूरोस फिर से कट गया ना।
podcast before the last.
Sorry?
I said I was a podcast just before the World Cup. I'd done it with Shambhav's with the Sham Sharma show, right?
हाँ अच्छा।
And I told him that Ronaldo will be one of the biggest flops of this World Cup, and he was. Even in the World Cup, he was quite terrible. He did score a couple of goals, but they were like one was a penalty or something, and otherwise Portugal was not a structured team under him, and that is despite the fact that in that World Cup actually Bruno was superb. His use of the ball was superb. He didn't lose the ball as much. He created chances for everyone, but अभी तो this time तो Ronaldo तो
या नो एक्चुअली मेरे हिसाब से रोनाल्डो का प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि रोनाल्डो डजंट नो व्हेन ही इज डन। मतलब
he can't leave till Messi leaves, right? जब तक मेसी नहीं जाना तब तक ये नहीं जाने वाला.
नहीं मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब वो ही शुड नो कि अब मैं स्टार्टिंग 11 प्लेयर नहीं बचाऊं तो ही शुड स्टेप असाइड इट ईगो एंड बिकम ए टीम प्लेयर, पर वो रोनाल्डो कर नहीं सकता है क्योंकि ही हैज ऑलवेज हैज टू बी द बिग मैन, ऑलवेज हैज टू बी द अल्फा मेल ऑफ द।
It's not just be the big man, boss. That kind of attitude is what made him what he is.
हाँ
right?
वो भी है। हाँ
He was
तो
talking about being the best player in the world while he was at United. I am the best player in the world is what he used to say.
वही सेम चीज है ना, हजार से बोलो तो ट्रेन कर ले, पर वो ट्रेन करेगा तो अच्छा नहीं खेल पाएगा फिर वो मैच में जाके। वही चीज। तो लेकिन जस्ट ऑन फुटबॉल अ बिट की फुटबॉल की हाउ फुटबॉल इज गोइंग नाउअडेज की फुटबॉल में हो क्या रहा है यूरोज में, मतलब एवरीवन बिकमिंग अ सिस्टम प्लेयर नाउ। ये सबके सब सिस्टम प्लेयर ही बन रहे हैं। डेक्लन राइस हमने देखा कि आर्सेनल में अच्छा कर रहा है, पर इंग्लैंड में आते ही शिट नाउ। साका का हमने देखा कि आर्सेनल में अच्छा कर रहा है, पर इंग्लैंड में आके ही एवरेज उस वे में। कि फोर्डन सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल इज फोर्डन। फोर्डन वहां पे प्रीमियर लीग ऑफ द सीजन ऑफ द प्लेयर है, पर ही हैज बीन अल्ट्रा 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 ड्रॉस अल्ट्रा स्क्रब इन दिस टूर्नामेंट उस वे में। तो सारे के सारे प्लेयर्स क्या मतलब वी आर नाउ क्रिएटिंग सिस्टम प्लेयर्स, और जो मैवरिक्स है वो गेम से बिल्कुल जा चुके हैं।
I think इसमें दोनों चीजें हैं. Yes, they are systems players, but that doesn't mean that Foden's technical skill will disappear. Right? A part of the problem is Southgate. Like, where are you giving Foden the ball? What positions are you getting the ball to him? Right? It's not a great look. They went a little high on Bellingham and tried to make Superman out of him. But Bellingham's a very good player. I don't think Bellingham is the quality that people are talking about. Like, he's a really exceptional player. Don't get me wrong, but he's a midfielder, and you play him as a midfielder. Madrid can play him as a 10 and have him score goals and be in the forward part of the pitch, because what they have behind him are Kroos and Modric. And if not Kroos and Modric, then Shumeni and Kamavinga. I mean, that's a different level of midfield to the rubbish you possess. This should have been a midfield of Rice, Bellingham, and Menu being more compact with each other. Much more compact.
पर आई डोंट थिंक कि बेलिंगम इज दैट ग्रेट ऑफ अ प्लेयर जो उसको बनाया जा रहा है, क्योंकि मतलब जो रॉ आई लुक एट द रॉ आई लुक एट द रॉ एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ अ प्लेयर। मतलब मैं किसी भी प्लेयर को जज करने से पहले ना उसे रॉ एट्रीब्यूट्स देखता हूं कि बेसिक्स क्या है। वेदर ही हैज अ टच, ही हैज अ पास, ही हैज मतलब प्रेस रेजिस्टेंट स्किल्स, ही कैन ड्रिबल और ही कैन मतलब कंट्रोल द गेम जैसे गुंडोगान करता है। तो मेरे हिसाब से बेलिंगम इस मिडफील्ड में कुछ नहीं करता है।
And he has each of those skills, but not to that higher degree. Controlling of a game to nahi hai. He's not a controller. That
He's not a passer, he's not a dribbler, he's not a
he can dribble, he can run, he's also powerful, he can see a pass, he can do all of those, but they're not over enhanced. They're not outlandishly large skills.
मतलब एक मैंने ट्विटर पे एक कमेंट पढ़ा था कि he is black Tomini, he is मतलब black version of black Tomini।
नहीं वो थोड़ा harsh है. He's better than that, I'll tell you. But it's a Southgate issue as well. Like, you know, he picks his players, he wants those players, and he'll stick with them. Walker was absolute dross from day one of this tournament. Kabhi hataya nahi Walker. Right? Kane, I mean, what can you even say about it? Kane was still top scorer, so he still statistically he gets there, right? But he was rubbish. He was like, his contribution to the match was rubbish. I don't know, yaar. I mean, see, the problem jo aapne boli hai, wo actually England is not the example I would take for that, because England have a special way of being shit. They're always shit. I've never seen a good, fun English team. Not since, I'll tell you, the only fun English team in an international tournament I saw were 2002 and 2004. In the Euro. Man, in that 02 England World Cup team was a really good team and built on a rock solid defense. It took that miracle goal by Ronaldinho to knock them out. In fact, the mistake they made in their last game of the group, they took it easy against Nigeria. Otherwise, they would have had Germany's path to the final. Germany had a very easy path to the final because वो उसमें रेफरिंग ऐसी थी कि इटली को भी साउथ कोरिया ने निकाल दिया, पता नहीं क्या क्या हुआ था उस वर्ल्ड कप पे। तो
I remember it was सुबह मैच देखते थे।
2004 was the Rooney year, and Rooney was special.
मतलब यही हुआ ना
कि watch in those two tournaments, right? You still had Beckham, like they're a genuine skill.
मतलब I would say
यार आप जो पॉइंट बता रहे हो ना फोर्डन का, you're right. Foden wants to run that channel. Up channel ke liye you need the ball to move that way, right? You need to be able to create that space in the channel.
But sometimes I want to say player have
not to do that. England doesn't know how to do.
पर player have to pick the game by the scruff of the neck. उनको करना चाहिए, individuality कभी तो शो करनी चाहिए. You can't be a system player always कि मेरे पास यहाँ से बॉल आएगी तभी मैं कुछ करूंगा, या फिर मेरे पास यहाँ से पास आएगा तभी मैं कुछ करूंगा. Sometimes you pick up the ball and run with it and shoot.
आज की डेट में even at the club level गलती से ये मिडिल ऑफ द पार्क में एक ड्रिबल करने की कोशिश, देखो आप लोग कैसे गाली देते हो ब्रूनो को ना. ब्रूनो, you know, his output is also magnificent, right? His shot creating actions are actually the highest in the league always.
Yeah.
Right? So he has to take the risk. I still enjoy watching that. United were poor on the number of points they scored, but believe me, they weren't boring matches. They were a lot of fun to watch United last season. Crazy matches. They were like basketball. Right? So you don't want to see that happen to your team. you want systems, then just boredom will come. A central midfielder looking to dribble the ball nowadays is almost a sin. करने ही नहीं देता कोई भी. You can't do it.
No, but we had players like Kovacic की जो मतलब जो उसमें कर रहे हैं, Kovacic पूरा कटा के पूरा निकल जाता है, वो पूरा आगे लेके जाके पास कर देता है. जो रॉड्री है वो पूरा गेम कंट्रोल करके एंड शोल्डर ड्रॉप करके वो वैसे निकल जाता है. जो कोबी माइनो अभी कर रहा है, कोबी माइनो भी वो सेम चीज कर रहा है.
But they do it only select moments, very select moments. Okay, ये भी उसका वॉल्यूम नहीं है. वो generally it's a safe way of playing the game. अटैकिंग आउटलेट आज आपका फुल बैक है, राइट? लेट्स बी क्लियर. चाहे वो डिजीज इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल में भी आ गया है. फुल बैक इज योर अटैकिंग आउटलेट unless you have an incredible talent somewhere in midfield. How many teams have that? In my opinion, I look at Musiala. I think Musiala is a really good player. I think Germany were good. I enjoyed watching Germany. Spain, superb. Two great wingers, right? Two excellent wingers, two decent fullbacks. And even they had injuries. If they didn't have injuries, then you would have seen the likes of Pedri and Gavi and how good they are in midfield as well. You know, Dani Olmo is always very good with Spain. So, systems players की problem तो है. There is a definite problem. Not about how bad were France? France were unwatchable. Same rubbish. He wants to be so compact, so bloody boring. No, not take a risk. The way we're going to score a goal is that ball over the top to Mbappe or to whichever forward is there, and the whole tournament didn't have strikers. Boss, nobody knows how to finish anymore. How many chances per game did we see get squandered? Yeah. But ulta yaar, Turkey were more fun to watch than the rest of these teams.
What's the pronunciation, Nikhil? What's the pronunciation? We are searching for it from so long.
Yeah, Turkey.
Okay.
It was English के हिसाब से तुर्काई, मतलब एक बंदे के
English
हिसाब
say
से
it as Turkey. They say it as because it's written as Turkey, but it's Turkey. That's how the Turks call
और
it.
हम हिंदी में तो तुर्की बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ, so उनका थोड़ा सा बस वो exasperate हो जाता है, थोड़ा exaggerate हो जाता है, जो edge होता है Turkey. But they were fun to watch. Georgia were fun to watch.
Yeah. एक और Netherlands was decent in that tournament. Netherlands की भी गेम अच्छा था, but
They moved the ball well. Yeah, I was quite surprised by that. They moved the ball. Like that kid's a good player. Yeah, that Xavi Simon.
Xavi Simons बहुत अच्छा प्लेयर है. जब I mean he is regarded as one of the future मतलब Ozils, right?
Yeah, but think of it this way: they didn't have Frankie. They needed Frankie.
Yeah. हमने डिस्कस भी किया था वो चीज. We discussed that.
If they had Frankie, then the game is a little different for them.
Midfield पूरा मतलब midfield was a मतलब quite cohesive midfielding नहीं था. मतलब I think almost सारे जो भी bigger teams थे, leaving out Spain and Germany, I think midfield was not at all cohesive, right?
It was being bypassed, brother. Every match that I saw, nobody wants to build through midfield anymore.
Yeah.
Even Spain is not playing a tiki-taka system anymore, right? Even they have to go transition. But even transition football in the 2010s was much more fun to watch. Think of the Jupp Heynckes Bayern team that tore Barcelona apart 7-0. Or top Barcelona 7-0, right? That was some serious blitzkrieg football, boss. And that was not Jurgen Klopp style of
Heynckes था उनके टाइम.
Yeah, Jupp Heynckes' team. I mean, that was they played with speed, they played with penetration, but it was not just a hopeful long ball forward. Yeah, so that all of but that needs for a manager to say when you get the chance in the middle of the park, you're allowed to take a risk with the ball, and if you lose the ball.
दिनेश वो चीज हमने डिस्कस किया था कि हमने है ना 2007 से लेकर 2011 की बारसा टीम भी देखी है जो पेप के अंडर थी. हमने फिर वो एंचेलोटी और जिडान की टीम भी देखी है रियल मैड्रिड की. पर जो सबसे टीम हम दोनों को अच्छी लगी थी वो यप हेynckes की बायर्न टीम थी हमेशा, जो लेजेंड ऑफ द लेजेंड वाली टीम थी, तो वो रिबेरी और रॉबिन वाली.
Yeah, I think nothing's like Barcelona. That Pep Barcelona. Look, he got Iniesta, Xavi, Busquets, and Messi at their peak. Right? And by the way, this is the thing with Pep. ये मैं 4 नाम ले चुका हूँ, तो कमाल के नाम थे ही थे. उसको Zlatan भी मिला, उसको Henry भी मिला, right?
Eto'o भी मिला.
हाँ, exactly. I mean, there's not a world-class player that didn't go through that place at that time. Man.
Yeah, but he chucked all of them out और उसको पेड्रो चाहिए था. उसको
this is the bait that Chelsea took, right? Pedro's going to change us.
No, but he won the league with us. He won the league.
Pedro, when you talk about systems players, Pedro's bloody magical. Like the guy is so disciplined, it's unreal. And ball winning, yeah. Pedro wins the ball for you.
Yeah.
आई मीन यस, आई मीन अभी जो मैड्रिड का जो मेरे को जो गेम प्ले लगता है उस मतलब जो पहले वाला जो जिरान वाला मैड्रिड है, आई थिंक दैट वाज ऑलमोस्ट ऑन पार विद यप अंकस वाला जो
Yeah,
वो था।
he had that similar system.
आई मीन
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
एकदम वो इट वाज लाइक इंस्टेंटली इट कुड हैपन, मतलब ऐसा था कि फटाक से कुछ ना कुछ हो सकता है। आई मीन
अभी तो ये लास्ट 2-3 जो मैंने देखे थे, लास्ट 2-3 चैंपियंस लीग आर लिटरली डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे डिडंट lose to Liverpool. I do not know how Dortmund didn't score at least 3 in that first half.
Yeah,
I do not understand it.
Inter didn't score 4 goals. Lukaku didn't score 3 goals against Man City.
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मेरे. Like literally the god just said Madrid somehow or the other. Madrid somehow or the other.
वही हेरिटेज है, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से
What
जो मरीना
about
वाला डायलॉग है
City? City had made them look like a pub class team for that second half, यार.
सेकंड हाफ। मतलब एक्चुअली इट वाज मोर अबाउट क्या मतलब पीपल मैनेजमेंट है ना, उसके हिसाब से एंचेलोटी हैड टू वर्क विद प्लेयर्स, दे डिड नॉट हैव अ डिसेंट स्ट्राइकर, दे डिड नॉट हैव अ डिसेंट मिडफील्ड इन द सेंस कि क्रूज इज ऑलमोस्ट गेटिंग रिटायर्ड, मॉड्रिच के पास उतने लेग्स नहीं है।
Please, player quality Madrid. No, yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
उनके पास सही नहीं उस टाइम,
I'm sorry,
इंजर्ड था।
Ancelotti plays. He plays. I love Ancelotti for this reason. He looks at football and he thinks, I need to find vertical attacking options, right? Like he doesn't look at it like Guardiola's thinking, let me defend, win possession for 60 minutes of the game. That's not Ancelotti's football. So he plays it like that, and incredible coach because of that reason. And he wins. That's why he doesn't win the league that often. He wins.
Yeah.
He wins cups a lot.
Tournaments, yeah.
League as often.
नहीं, मेरे को एक डिफरेंस लगता है कि गार्डियोला और एंचेलोटी की टैक्टिक्स में, कि गार्डियोला थिंक्स कि फुटबॉल मैनेजर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ फुटबॉल, और एंचेलोटी थिंक्स की मतलब है ना फुटबॉल प्लेयर्स आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द फुटबॉल। तो दोनों में वो डिफरेंस आ जाता है, गार्डियोला किल्स योर इंडिविजुअलिज्म और एंचेलोटी मतलब एनहांसेस योर इंडिविजुअलिज्म, वो बात है। उसने जैक ग्रिलिश को मार दिया, अब वो डोकू को भी थोड़ी देर बाद मार देगा, बर्नार्डो सिल्वा को उसने खत्म कर दिया कि बर्नार्डो सिल्वा पूरा रिसाइकिल प्लेयर बन चुका है अब ऑलमोस्ट उसमें।
Yeah, but his system can't live without Bernardo. Bernardo's an incredible player. In the
No,
league,
but
he's an
he
incredible player.
killed his individuality. Bernardo में जो कटाने वो उसको पूरा रिसाइकिल प्लेयर बना दिया है।
He's been given the most important role in that team, and वही role उसको करना है. He doesn't score anymore, yeah. He used to be my FPL pick, cheap FPL pick. It's gone. Like, guy doesn't score anymore. Doesn't assist anymore. Doesn't happen at all. जब ये KDB का system खत्म हो जाएगा ना, because his body is giving away.
Yeah.
Right? Then either Foden steps up like he's imagining Foden will. Or where the hell is he suddenly? Or perhaps he's going to start using Julian Alvarez in that way. I don't know. City are a little iffy next season. Their transfers also haven't happened this summer. अभी आएंगे उनके.
Yeah. So Nikhil, just before you go, I just want to take your predictions or few of the मतलब आगे season क्या होने वाला है. So
I'm gonna go the.
No, I'll ask you an individual question. I'll ask you a individual question. Winner of Premier League.
I am going to step out of the shade and say Arsenal.
Arsenal. Okay.
Arsenal if they get a good striker.
I'll write it down. I'll ping you on Twitter regarding that.
Arsenal if they get a good striker, and I still think, because Jorginho will go, I think, or is he going to stay, Jorginho?
I think he's going to stay. He's signed one season more.
So it's Jorginho.
Partey might go.
So then you need one. You need one in that role.
Yeah. Top 4.
I'll go Arsenal, City. Liverpool, United.
Oh.
Actually, no.
So Aston Villa,
Liverpool, I'm a little doubtful about. Let's go
Aston Villa ने इतने अच्छे साइनिंग कर लिए, लेकिन let's chuck it out. फालतू में करे, बेकार है
Chelsea United.
Chelsea United. Okay, so still you're not commenting Ange Postecoglou's Tottenham. मेरे को वही चाहिए था. Ange Postecoglou बस कमबैक नहीं करेगा टॉप 4 यार उसका जो टीम.
और गुड इवनिंग कुछ नहीं करेगा निखिल.
Aston Villa.
Aston Villa.
I think
बस ये ठीक है यार, एक सीजन बहुत बढ़िया कर लिया, हो गया.
But he has a good coach. Good evening. I think he's the second best coach in the league
he's a
this
good
time.
coach. He's got a good team. But I don't know if he'll get that many goals out of Watkins again. I don't know if Leon Bailey will be the same player. He didn't have the same injury problems others had last season. Maybe injuries will happen more this season. Those are paper thin squads, but those are not proper legit top 4 squads. I don't see Chelsea and United both having the same season they had last season. Let me put it that way to you. So that's the spot that Villa loses. And Spurs is Spurs. I don't think they bought well enough to sustain.
Top scorer.
Oh, I mean the lazy choice is
Haaland को हटा दो. Remove Haaland if Haaland is not there.
if Haaland is not the top scorer.
भाई ये तो बहुत खतरनाक क्वेश्चन है. I
This is
would
a
go
very
for
difficult
Ollie
one. This is
Watkins
a
ही
tough
है.
one.
Ollie Watkins ही है और क्या मतलब तो क्या बोलेगा?
Cole
Yeah,
Palmer?
no, I don't think Watkins. I don't think it'd be a 9 then if it's not Haaland.
Cole Palmer?
Sorry,
Cole Palmer?
could be. Palmer is a good call.
नहीं पिछले बार एक्चुअली कौन था मतलब हालैंड और उसकी
Cole Palmer ही था. Cole Palmer ही था.
अच्छा दोनों दे शेयर्ड द टॉप
No. Cole Palmer नीचे था. 3-4 गोल.
3-4 गोल नीचे और ऑली वॉटकिंस कहाँ पे था?
Cole Palmer से एक नीचे.
अच्छा थर्ड. ठीक है. I mean I don't think Cole Palmer will have the same season this season again. I mean he has the attributes of course, but this now the new coach right Paul Merseca. I think he's
Fonseca.
yeah, that guy is basically Pep Guardiola's junior, right? Pep 2.0. तो मतलब वो वापस वही सिस्टम में खिलाएगा और वो वापस आई डोंट थिंक
हाँ उसको रिसाइकिल ना बना दे उसको. चैंपियंस लीग विनर.
Oh, you're right. That means Chelsea are screwed this season. Because with those midfielders, if he's going to try and drill this shit into them, forget about it. Dekho, fullbacks. Reece is going to be injured. There's no chance Reece. You talk about Shaw's injury record. Reece is the god of injury record.
Yeah. But we have Gusto, and Gusto is very
I am a
decent.
huge Malo Gusto fan. Huge
Yeah.
fan of Malo
अच्छा
Gusto.
player है.
But
And we have the left
but
best
then you might need to play a wing back
also.
system. You might need to play a wing back. Because Gusto defensively more suspect. You might need to play a wing back system.
Yeah. Kukurea भी अच्छा है. I think the midfield three is good. Lavia, Caicedo, Enzo. These three can play.
Plus, I can't wait for Romeo Lavia. I love Lavia.
I was admiring Lavia when he was in South.
Bro, Lavia,
Chelsea
Lavia
bought
हुआ
Caicedo,
and Kuku
Enzo,
हुआ.
and Lavia, and I was like, ये कैसे? How can all three go to one club? Yeah, it makes no sense.
And front three of Nkoku, Palmer, and probably Jackson.
Hey, when Kuku is fit, that's a heck of a signing. It's effectively a new signing.
Yeah. All three are new signing. Reece James, Lavia, ये Carney Chukwuemeka, Nkoku, सब new signing है इस साल की हैं.
Hey, but Nkuku he'll give you output, possibly give you solid output.
फोफाना भी नहीं खेला अभी तक. वो बादेशील वो भी नहीं खेला.
What about your next Messi, Mudrik? उसका क्या करोगे?
No, next Messi is Palmer.
Palmer doesn't dribble like Messi does. Mudrik is the guy.
Estevao, the Brazilian
Chelsea actually could be any which way. I was actually very surprised that they got rid of Pochettino. I thought it started to click with Pochettino.
But he is a shit manager, Nikhil. I think
I agree. I've never liked
जो tactics है ना उसकी जो run वाली tactics वो मतलब इस squad के साथ नहीं चलेगी. ये squad का durable नहीं है.
यार boss, if a guy goes and loses the league title with PSG, मैं क्या बोलूं तेरे को भाई?
So Champions League, Nikhil. Champions League winner, yours prediction.
यार
I think it's too early to predict these kind of things maybe.
नहीं but
हम भी prediction वीडियो डालेंगे ना हमारा.
why would I look past City in the Champions League? What's a good reason to look past City?
Real Madrid.
Mbappe आज ही announce किया है.
Yeah, I know Mbappe is there, but Mbappe wants to play from the left. Winnie wants to play from the left.
Rodrigo wants to play.
Rodrigo has no say in that, right? You've lost Cruz, so you have to have Tchouameni and Camavinga step up in that way. Will they? Perhaps they will. Perhaps they won't. I don't know. And in any event, last 2 seasons, right? City and Madrid have played. City made Madrid look like a pub class team both times. Once they lost the tie, and once they won the tie. Different matter. But they made them look pub class. The gap is too big, right? But City ka bhi, what happens with KDB? What happens with their injury record? You know, what are they doing in the transfer market? Let's see. But City, I think it was Bayern are nowhere, right?
But now they are मतलब front three of Musiala, Olise and Kane वैसा.
I mean,
Champions League level नहीं है. Champions League level नहीं है. I think they'll probably win the league. I think that is the least expectation out of him. But what if I don't think Harry Kane will play half of the season again?
Yeah, who else can I see? Barcelona is not strong enough. There is no other English team that's strong enough.
Arsenal?
So
Arsenal,
Arsenal, I think if I were Arsenal right now, if I were Arteta, my entire focus would be league title.
yeah.
या वो तो है, पर वही है ना कि मतलब मतलब वैसा कि यू फोकस ऑन द मेन यूपीएससी पर तुम्हारा वो बैंक पीओ भी निकल जाता है, वो छूट जाता है, वो भी नहीं होता फिर ऐसा।
नहीं बट उसने काफी छोड़ दिया है ना, अभी तो निकल जाएगा ना एक बार तो निकलता है। बट इस बार तो मतलब काफी प्रीमियर लीग से सीजन में द कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस हाई क्वालिटी में नहीं रहेगा मेरे हिसाब से। आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी स्क्वीजिंग दोस विक्ट्रीज।
यार
आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग
कंपेटिटिवनेस हाई क्वालिटी जो आप बात कर रहे हो सेकंड हाफ ऑफ द सीजन में वैसे भी खत्म हो गई थी। ओके, क्रिस्टल पैलेस स्टेप्ड अप बिग टाइम,
या
राइट, बट ब्राइटन हैड डिसअपीयर्ड।
न्यूकासल डिसअपीयर्ड।
अरे यूनाइटेड, चेल्सी एटसेट्रा वर ऑल लाइक वी वर ऑर्डिनरी टीम्स। फुलहम वाज, या व्हाट इज फुलहम यार? आई मीन कंपेटिटिवनेस क्या होता है इसमें? कंपेटिटिवनेस आउट ऑफ लैक ऑफ क्वालिटी, नॉट आउट ऑफ सम इमेंस हाई
या
क्वालिटी।
आई मीन बिकॉज प्लेयर्स उतना फिट नहीं रहेंगे और वो भी नहीं रहेगा ना, मतलब ये
बट आई थिंक वो हो जाता है यार, वहां की विंटर भी कभी प्रॉब्लम आती है ना, दे डोंट गेट अ विंटर ब्रेक एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, इट स्टार्ट्स टू कैच अप विद द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द सीजन लुक्स वेरी कंपेटिटिव, लुक्स लाइक हाई क्वालिटी अक्रॉस द बोर्ड,
यूरोपा लीग विनर निकल।
Oh, Manchester United, of course. There's no doubt in my mind that Ten Hag is going to look at that trophy and say, "Boss, this is the thing that saves my job next year." when I screw up the league, this is the thing that's going to save my job next year.
एग्जैक्टली, यू आर करेक्ट कि जब वो 9th फिनिश कर रहा होगा पर यूरोपा लीग विन हो गया।
Add into the Champions League, कर लो जो करना है।
या so Nikhil, just before we let you go,
Hey, I want to ask you guys, what do you guys think Newcastle will do this season?
I think Newcastle will play, I mean, a decent enough game. Again, I think they have not done any good signings, and again, I think they have to sell players, right? So they have not sold any, I guess, till now. So
Nothing.
I think
Does he get fired this season?
no, I don't think he will get fired because he's going to lose players, right? I think that's the reason. I think they want to stick with the same, same manager because he's going to lose because of the financial fair play. I think वो कौन है उसका अपना striker जो Swedish striker है?
Oh, Isak.
Isak.
I think he has to go, right? He has to go. And what about Bruno Gibbons?
मतलब ये दोनों रुक गए तो दे हैव अ चांस, क्योंकि लास्ट सीजन क्या हुआ था कि चैंपियंस लीग हिंडर्ड देयर सीजन अ बिट, बहुत ज्यादा। इस साल उसने चैंपियंस लीग
Where will Isak go? Where will he go? Who's going to afford Isak? Because Newcastle will not sell cheap. They've got the bargaining power there.
Arsenal can get him, Chelsea can get him, both the teams can
Arsenal
get
will have the money, my boss. You go get Isak, you're winning the title, man.
चेल्सी कैन गेट हिम। चेल्सी ने अभी 100 मिलियन के प्लेयर बेचे सारे के सारे, वो मार्टसन बेच दिया, लुइस हॉल बेच दिया। पर मेरे हिसाब से ना एडी हाउ, मतलब आई थिंक ही इज अ स्टबर्न मैनेजर मेरे हिसाब से, वो देखता हूँ क्योंकि ही इज स्टिल प्लेइंग ट्रिपियर एंड मैटी कैश, वो फुल बैक्स में उसमें मतलब उसके पास लिवरमेंटो है और उसके पास लुइस हॉल है एज अ फुल बैक ऑप्शन, जो चेल्सी से अकेडमी से गए हैं। दे आर बोथ ब्रिलियंट प्लेयर्स इन द बॉल पोजीशन टाइप ऑफ प्लेयर। इतना भागेंगे नहीं, अप एंड डाउन नहीं होगा, लेकिन बॉल पोजीशन में फर्स्ट है, पर वो उनको खिलाते नहीं है उन दोनों को। और उसको ब्रूनो के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है क्योंकि वो मतलब साउथ अमेरिकन है और उसका मतलब हैकलिंग स्टाइल और वो उसका जो प्लेइंग स्टाइल है वो उसमें
गुड प्लेयर है, इज अ गुड प्लेयर।
हाँ, मतलब ही मिक्स ऑफ बोथ। पर ब्रूनो और अगर इसाक में से कोई भी एक चला गया तो आई थिंक दे आर आउट ऑफ टॉप 10 टॉप से उसमें, क्योंकि क्रिस्टल पैलेस इज कमिंग अप, एस्टन विला इज ऑलरेडी देयर, ब्राइटन का दोबारा ये सीजन नहीं होगा जो पिछली बार खराब हुआ था।
Who is going to be the dark horse then? I think that's a
it's tough call. Let's see how the squads pan out in August. Yeah, अभी तो squads का ही नहीं पता ना।
I think मेरे हिसाब से dark horse तो मुझे लग रहा है टॉटनहम ही रहेगी एटलीस्ट टॉप 4 के लिए।
पता नहीं यार,
उनका डिसेंट सीजन पता नहीं उसने एंज पोस्टेकोग्लू, मेरे को लगता है वो जिगर वाला मैनेजर है यार।
वोल्स कर सकती है, वोल्स के प्लेयर्स अच्छे हैं मेरे हिसाब से। वोल्स कुड डू समथिंग इन दिस टूर्नामेंट इन दिस लीग, क्योंकि वो उनके प्लेयर्स कहीं गए भी नहीं है स्टार्टिंग में साफ, क्योंकि जो छोटी टीम्स के प्लेयर्स है ना वो फ्रेश होंगे अभी स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सीजन, तो इस टाइम वो है ना पॉइंट्स गेन कर सकते हैं बहुत ज्यादा। ये बड़ी टीम्स के प्लेयर्स जो है वो फ्रेश नहीं होंगे।
that guy is a good manager.
लोपेटेगी
नहीं, लोपेटेगी नहीं है ना वोल्स में कोई और है, गैरी ओनियल है।
लोपेटेगी किधर?
आई थिंक उसको लोपेटेगी तो कहीं और चला गया।
नहीं लोपेटेगी प्रीमियर लीग में आया कहीं पे।
हाँ क्या? I
Sorry boys.
Okay guys, so let's conclude this.
So just before we go, we do want to get your controversial opinion कि थोड़ा Twitter पे clickbait वाला हो रहा चाहिए कि मतलब what's your controversial opinion in that कि who would you pick out of these 3 players? I'll give you 3 players. Who would you pick? मतलब in your team, I'll give you 4 players. Who would you pick? All left-footed players or right wingers kind of a thing. फर्स्ट इज साका, फोर्डन, पाल्मर, ओलिसे. तो इन चार में से who will you pick on that?
For the way United will
No, not United. You are creating a team of yours, not United. आप फुटबॉल मैनेजर हो और आप एक टीम बना रहे हो. Who would you pick?
But look, I think Palmer doesn't play the same position, right? So Palmer not necessarily a right winger. Palmer
Right winger
is more through the center of the park.
पर फोर्डन भी सेम है. फोर्डन भी सेंटर ऑफ द पार्क ही खेलता है उसमें.
Yeah. No, out of these, I would still go with Foden. I think Foden's an incredible talent. I mean, it looked bad in the Euro, but Foden's a superlative player. Adka player.
Okay.
By the way, he could very easily become a attacking sort of a more progressive. He could be the De Bruyne, right? Like he could be their sort of deeper
But he
attacking
doesn't.
talent.
मतलब Nikhil, I don't think you agree or much or not in that. कि मतलब उसके पास वो killer pass नहीं है अभी भी. वो जो pass नहीं है उसके पास.
नहीं, I agree. But वो De Bruyne वाली पास किसी के पास नहीं है. किसी के पास नहीं.
Let's conclude this.
चलो ठीक है. Thanks Nikhil for sharing your opinions, and this has been an exciting conversation for both me and Pal. I think
Thanks, boys. I really enjoyed myself, man.
yeah, I think we are building a community who are not only looking at the stats or not only looking at this PR agents जो बोलते हैं. हम लोग अपने आंखों से जज करते हैं और हम लोग ये देखते हैं कि किसके पास अच्छा टेक्निकल स्किल्स है, and we discuss it over among our friends. So
Thank you so much for giving us your time. And any thoughts for us from your side and our channel?
Yes, thanks a lot. But let's do this again. I mean, the more you do it, the better you get at it. It's as simple as that.
Yeah,
Kuch nahi hota.
sure.
How many games do you end up watching on a weekend?
All of them mostly.
no, I
Wow.
only top 4. नहीं सारे
नहीं मतलब क्रिस्टल पैलेस वर्सेस ब्राइटन भी देख लेंगे हम तो, पर इप्सविच वर्सेस मतलब लूटन, दैट्स अ गेम वी
मैं नहीं देखता. मैं सिर्फ आर्सेनल, चेल्सी, मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड
Well, my suggestion is take 1 or 2 games and in your is your weekly podcast?
No. 4-5 times a week.
4-5 तो
Wow.
ज्यादा हो गया बे. 4-5 ज्यादा हो गया.
The season
अरे,
start
एक आध गेम जो है ना, एक आध गेम उसको ठीक से रीवॉच करके भी ब्रेक डाउन करो. रीवॉचिंग में बहुत चीजें दिखती हैं जो फर्स्ट वॉच में नहीं दिखती.
okay.
Right, so pick one game, whatever game you want per season. That will help you. That will build your cachet. That these guys are able to see things others aren't. That sort of thing is where to start. And the more you read, the more you listen the more you learn to see what you're looking for on the football pitch, right?
Yeah.
Positions, why certain positions are good, certain positions are wrong. I mean, Bruno being a United liability, you're talking about me being big on Bruno. I've been big on him when he comes up with those big performances, but through the season I keep tweeting like, what do we do with this guy? Like, what do you do with him? Right? So I've been on this for quite some time, that once you moved away from a pure counter-attacking system, बड़ा problematic player है.
Exactly. कि मतलब 15 बार लूज करेगा तो 15 बार वापस भागना है.
He'll produce that FA Cup moment. The no look pass to Menu, he'll produce it.
हाँ, वो तो कर सकता है. उसके पास तो
वो वाला.
इतना talent है. So this concludes our podcast, guys. I mean, this is me, Ranga, signing off. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
This is Pal signing off. Thank you, Nikhil.
Yeah,
Thank you
guys,
so much.
thank you so much.